Alright guys, before this video starts, I want to say, should I get a new mic or should I just leave it like this? I know the mic is pretty bad, but I'm thinking of getting just a simple mic because the one I'm using right now is not so good. Okay, really quickly, stop. I know you're writing in the comments right now, dude, Premiere Pro is so expensive. Yes, I know Premiere Pro is expensive, and let me just put my voice down a second. I know that for the monthly plan is $20 a month, and for the yearly plan is a whopping $250, and you could really get Final Cut Pro. But I had my eye on Premiere Pro. I just thought it was really cool. Wondershare Filmora, I think it was $60 a year, or just $60 flat if you wanted it. I think you could get a student deal, but I wanted to switch over it, and already you can see like this is way more advanced than Filmora, but it's really like you pay more, you're getting your money's worth, or you pay more and you're not getting your money's worth. So the software that I was using before, I wasn't necessarily liking it, and that software was Wondershare Filmora. I did like it, but it didn't really meet my expectations. And not only do I use video editing for YouTube, but I also use it for school, and I also just like editing videos. I think it's fun, but I just had to switch over because Wondershare Filmora was just, for me, it was a bit slow and it didn't have all the things that I could have had. And I'll go into detail what it didn't have and what I like about Premiere. So, I know there's not going to be a lot of things to talk about in this video, but I'm just really going over why I'm using this. But you know what? Let's just get right into it. Number one, I think it's the playback feature. I'm not 100% sure if that's what it's called, but it can play back things, 1080p or something like that. I'm not sure if you can do that in 4K. I'm pretty sure Final Cut Pro can do that, but I still went with Premiere. One of the features I was looking forward to, I don't think Filmora had this, was putting in videos, and on your timeline it shows up as really the color that you put it on your folder or something like that. The next one is just being able to look at the sound waves, and if certain areas of your video, if you're trying to base your video on the sound waves or the music that there are so many little features in this Premiere Pro that I like so much, but I had some problems. If you watch my last video, it was short revs about the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Some scenes, for some reason, I remember I was using the device and this shadow of gray would just pop up and it's go down on different areas. I don't know why that occurred. Another thing that I had happen was my entire video was flipped around, which was annoying, and I don't know why. I previewed it like 100 times, but for some reason once I exported it, it just, I don't know why. No idea why that happened. All in all, I still need to learn how to use Premiere Pro, and like I said, it's great editing software. Alright guys, to be continued. So my next video, and do all that stuff that you're supposed to do that every YouTuber asks you to do. So yeah, just bye.